Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap a gift. So what you're going to need is a gift. We have this Speed Champions Lego set. Then you're going to need some wrapping paper. We have this cool penguin wrapping paper to use. Then you're going to need some scissors, some tape, and a bow if you need it. First is you want to cut the right size of paper for your gift. So you want to take your gift and put it sort of in a corner like this so that you can line up and measure with it. A rule to remember is that the short side gets the short side of the wrapping paper. You want it to line up on the side, not over, just on the side like this. Now just measure with your hands. Okay, this is where it is. Let's cut it all the way down to the other side. Now that you've cut your right size of gift, line it up. You want to have your gift so it can go over. So this back side, we go up a little bit. It's pretty good like this. So if it goes over, that's way too much paper. So you want to cut it right about here, just so they overlap, but not too much. So that's right about here. Then you want to go and cut it. You can save this to wrap smaller gifts, or you can just put it aside like that. So, now that we have the right size for our gift, we want to start wrapping. So first, we want to start with the long side. I like to pull it over one side first and not pull it the other side over yet, and tape it, just so the present doesn't slide around in between the wrapping paper. Get a little bit. Pull it in snugly. There you go. Then you want to do the same thing like this. Pull it over, your tape, and put it on. Like that. Now we're on to the sides. You want to push it down like this. Get in the corner. Then you want to create some triangles. And then on the other side too. Just like that. There's one triangle here. And then one triangle there. Then you want to push your triangle in to make more triangles. So you have one triangle here, and then one triangle down there. And you do that also on this side. Then fold it in like this. You don't have to do that, but I think it looks more neat when you do that. And you pull it up, you pull it up, and then you tape it. So get some tape, push it up, then you just tape it like this. Okay, doesn't have to look perfect. Then now you do the same thing on the other side. So we'll push down, make our triangles like this, and you push your triangles in. Remember, I like to fold it in like this. You don't have to, but I just think it looks neater. So then you want to take that in like that. You got it done. To finish off our gift, I'm going to use a bow. You don't have to use a bow, but you can. So the thing that makes this bow stick on is this piece of paper right under here with a staple in it. If you peel that piece of paper off, like this. That staple, just try to peel around the staple a little bit. There you go. You got the gift, and it has some sticky tape underneath. I'm going to get my finger inside the bow a little bit and push down, and there you go. You finish your gift. Even if you don't wrap your gift perfectly, the person you're giving it to will be happy that you wrapped the gift for them. And besides, in a few seconds, they're going to rip it open and see what's inside. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time. I'm going to go give this gift to a friend.